Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by getting sound flowing so you can hear changes. Open YouTube Music and play a track you know well. Keep volume at a moderate level. On mobile, go to Settings Playback or your phone's sound settings to find the equalizer. On desktop, enable a system or app EQ extension. Once the EQ panel is visible, keep the track looping and watch how boosts and cuts affect clarity, bass, and presence so your adjustments are purposeful. Now you'll perform the core adjustments. First, sweep a mid-band while reducing gain to find muddiness around 200 to 500 Hz. Cut that instead of boosting elsewhere. Next, gently boost 80 to 120 Hz if you need more bass, and lift 2 to 5 kHz for vocal clarity. Use a narrow bandwidth to fix a single offensive frequency and a wider bandwidth to shape the overall tone. Make small changes and listen between adjustments. Finish by validating your changes. Toggle the EQ on and off to confirm the mix is improved, and listen across several songs and headphones to ensure consistency. If your app or device allows, save this preset so you can recall it quickly. If you hear clipping or distortion, reduce the boosted low or mid bands and lower playback volume. If one device sounds off versus another, make a slight secondary preset instead. Trust your ears and keep adjustments minimal for best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.